Hey iPhone lovers, welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Want to master Apple Music on your brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max? Well, you're in the right place. I've got you covered with these 5 easy steps. Let's dive right in and get you jamming to your favorite tunes in no time. First, open the Music app. It's that simple. Just locate that red music note icon on your home screen and give it a tap. Next, sign in. This is where the magic begins. If you're not already signed in, tap for you at the bottom. This tab is your gateway to personalized music recommendations. Then sign in with your Apple ID. Easy peasy. Your Apple ID is your key to unlocking a world of music. Now it's time to explore. This is where the fun really starts. Browse through playlists, albums, and songs. Apple Music has a vast library, so take your time and discover new favorites. Use the search tab at the bottom right if you're looking for specific artists or songs. This feature is super handy when you have a particular track in mind. Trust me, there's a treasure trove of music waiting for you. Found something you love? Great! Add it to your library by tapping the plus icon. This way you can easily access your favorite tracks anytime. This way all your favorite tunes are just a tap away. Your library will become your personal music haven. Finally, download for offline listening. This is a lifesaver when you're out and about. Tap the download icon next to any song or album to save it to your device. No internet? No problem. Perfect for when you're on the go and don't want to use up your data. Whether you're traveling, working out, or just relaxing, your music is always with you. And there you have it. You're now a pro at using Apple Music on your iPhone 15 Pro Max. You're now ready to rock out with Apple Music on your iPhone 15 Pro Max. Enjoy the endless music possibilities. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.